In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your motorcycle license in Texas. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the general process of acquiring your driver's license and all of the requirements and the eligibility for you to acquire it in Texas. So, to get your motorcycle license in Texas, you will need to obtain a motorcycle endorsement on your existing driver's license. For the eligibility, you must be at least 16 years old and you must have a valid Texas driver's license. To start, you need to complete a motorcycle safety course. This is mandatory. You must complete the Basic Rider course referred to as BRC or Basic Rider course updated, BRCU, motorcycle safety course with an authorized sponsor. Successful completion of this course can exempt you from the road skills test. You can find all of this information available on this page on the Texas Department of Public Safety at dps.texas.gov. In here, you can look for motorcycle license or go over to the driver's license category and browse through all of the options here. Once you find motorcycle license, you will be able to once again see all of the requirements that I mentioned. So the age restrictions, the education, the permission, and so on. So be aware of any permissions needed from your parents or legal guardians. Once you are aware of all of these requirements, the first thing that I would recommend is to go over to the motorcycle safety course. Like I mentioned, you will have to do this through an approved sponsor, so this is why using this interactive map is very good. You will be able to browse through all of them and get the exact locations. So you can use any of these sponsors here to complete this test. As soon as you are done completing the motorcycle safety course, you will be able to visit a driver's license office and bring the required documents. In this case, you will bring your valid driver's license and proof of course completion. Pay the required fees for the motorcycle endorsement, and now you might need to take a vision test. With all of that done, you should be able to acquire your endorsement on your pre-existing driver's license. Like I said, all of the information is going to be laid out here, and I highly recommend carefully taking your time and reading through all of this. Even though I'm trying to cover the general process in this video, there's always going to be something that I won't be able to cover. So this is why taking your time to read through all of this will help you in the long run. And as long as you complete the steps included here, you will be able to get this process done. You might have to do the practical skills test, so as you can see it is listed here, and applicants under the age of 18 must pass this without exception. But depending on your circumstances, you might be able to skip this altogether, especially if you were approved and did really well on the motorcycle safety course. And as long as you complete all of that, you will be able to get it done. Go over to any of the offices nearby, any branch, and you will be able to present the necessary documents to get your new motorcycle license. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your motorcycle license in Texas. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.